found yet another item on clearance. This is the Vicks Warm Stream Vaporizer. And for those of you who don't know what this is when you get sick, you put the vapor pad that it comes with here, and it lets out a visible moisture in the air, and it helps you breathe a lot better. We've been trying to find one of these for how long? A long time.
Probably for a couple months now.
Yeah, we always miss it. We don't run into it. Nobody has it. But let me show you the back. I guess it's all the same. Take a look at how it looks. The stream comes out, the smoke to help you breathe.
And then just to let you guys know, you use this with Vicks vapor pads, and these are the pads you're going to have to use. And it says inside the box there's a sample pad included. So and another important thing, you guys, look at this, $3 off coupons inside. So if you guys want to buy a couple of these for the future, you guys can use that $3 off coupon that's inside the box. And we actually found 2 of these.
So let me show you the UPC.
All right, so here's the UPC. And these are great if you guys have kids. This is what it looks like, the box looks like. And then how it works. All right.
So normally this runs, I want to say about $25 or so that I've seen it. Comment below if you've seen it at a different price. But take a look at what it is now.
I've seen some for $45 too.
Yeah, depending on the size of it.
Yeah.
So. But right now, this is $7.75.
Yes, you guys, $7.75. And if you look here, you get $3 a coupon. So that's like paying $4.75. So we actually got 2 of these. They had a smaller one, and the smaller one wasn't on sale, but this is the larger one. And I've seen a model number, so I'm going to give you guys the model number so you guys can make sure you look out for this one. I've seen it somewhere on the box. Let's see. Right here. Okay, so there's the model number right there. That's what you guys need to look for. And again, they're coming up $7.75, but you guys get a $3 off coupon, so it's like paying like close to $5?
Something like that.
$4.75. So we actually got 2 of those. And you don't want to hold this one? Okay. He's not going to hold this one, you guys. So I'm going to have to put this here. All right. I found this little purse in clearance, and this is super cute. It has the wristlet, and let me try to open this. You gonna help me open it? All right, thank you. All right, so that's the inside. It has a zipper in the inside. It's a great size, and normal price on here is $9.97. Here's the UPC, and we actually found it for $2.50. Does it have a name on here? I think it's that Time and True. So this is the Time and True. And again, I'm going to show you the UPC one more time. Oh, you're going to scan it. Okay, that's perfect. My husband's going to scan it. All right. Oh, I was right. That was a good guess. Okay, so this one is the Time and True, and it's a dome pouch. Woven dome pouch for $2.50. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna leave this here because I already got a lot of stuff, so I'm going to go ahead and leave this on the shelf, and let's see what else we can find. All right, here's a pack of 24 scissors. Look at this. So you get all of this inside, and I seen this at another Walmart, you guys, but I left it there because I didn't look. I thought it was just the shell of it. I didn't know it came with the scissors. So it comes with 24 of the scissors. And what's that? Viscars?
Yeah.
Vice cars? Viscars?
Either way, I'm good with whatever.
All right, so you guys can see it's filled with scissors. This is perfect if you have any kids. I'm going to show you the UPC, and it says here ages 4+. All right. Oh, this is even better. Look at that. Full lifetime warranty. That's good.
Yeah, and this is the safety scissor edges too. So if you guys donate to schools, your children's class, if you're a teacher, this is a great deal for you right here.
Okay, so they're not sharp, which is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to show you guys the UPC, and we have a few items to show you right now, and they're all secret hidden clearance at Walmart. only on Angel on the Go. All right, so we're gonna show you the UPC. Do you have it? All right, for the scissors, here's the UPC. And let me show you the price that Walmart has it at. All right, so you can see here, the regular price is $23.97. And it says it's on sale for $14, which is not bad. But again, this is gonna be secret, unmarked, hidden clearance. All right, so we're gonna scan it. All right. Look at this, you guys. $6. $6.
Oh, that's a great deal.
That's a good deal. All right, so again, it went from $23.97 to $14, all the way down to $6. So if you guys are in Walmart, check this item out because it's $6 on sale. All right, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
All right. All right.
All right. So this is a fan favorite. This is Lego Star Wars. So for all of you Star Wars fans and Lego fans, this is going to be a great Christmas gift right here. This has, it's 7+, it has 235 pieces.
Okay.
And as you can see, well, let me give you the UPC here real quick.
All right, you guys, there's the UPC. So take a screenshot. There you guys go.
And then a quick look at the back at all the different pieces, things you can make with it.
Is that a stormtrooper?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so these are the pieces I guess it comes with. And if you guys have any kids or relatives or Lego fans, this would be the perfect gift for Christmas. And again, this is hidden clearance. We're going to show you the price that Walmart has. So it says the regular price is $24. And it says here the clearance, because we found all this in clearance, you guys. So it says here the clearance price is $20. But we're going to show you the real clearance price. All right, so it's scanning up $13, you guys. $13.
So that's a good price for Legos. Legos is an expensive toy. Very expensive.
Yeah, expensive, you guys. All right, so we have another Legos. All right, and this one right here is the Lego Movie. And it's also 7+. And sorry it's so loud, but they're actually putting up all the Christmas items in this Walmart that we're in, so it's super loud. But again, this one is 7+. It's 196 pieces. So there's some of the pieces. And let me show you the back. Look how cute that is. You guys, our son loves this movie right here. Is he breakdancing?
Uh-huh.
I don't know if that's a unicorn, but let me show you guys the UPC. And again, this is the Lego Movie. Lego Movie Part 2. There's a UPC. And we're going to show you the tag that Walmart has. $16. You guys know it's not 16. We're going to find out right now what it is. All right, you guys ready? Look at that, $9. And you guys can see it's the exact item that we just scanned. This is the Lego Movie 2. And that's it again. And it went from $16 to $9. And there's the UPC.
So anytime you guys can find Legos on clearance, that will be the time to get it, because Legos don't always go on clearance.
No.
This is a very expensive product, like we said before. Go check it out. You'll find some for $80, $100 at times. So for you to get this at $9 and the other one at $13,
$13.
now is the time to get it, because when Christmas comes, the price is going to go up again.
Okay, and we got another one for you guys. He's dropping stuff. Look at that. He's dropping stuff.
All right, so this is the Playmobil. It's an ambulance, city action. It's 4+, and it comes with 20 pieces. So it looks like the ambulance, the characters.
That is so cute, you guys. All right, and let me show you the price here. So here it was $19.87, which is not bad. And then the clearance tag says $14. And again, this is Playmobil. This is the city action. Does it make noise? Let's see.
I want to say it does.
Oh, there's the lights. Okay, let's see, you guys. There we go.
We got lights and stuff.
That's super cute. I might get this for my little one. Okay,
Oh,
let's show
so.
them. Let's show them the UPC.
Okay. Take a look at the back. How it pops off. How your kid gets to play with it.
Yo, he's really liking this truck. Look at that little boy.
It's the noises.
Okay, they putting the guy in the back of the ambulance here. Oh, the top comes off. That's really nice. And it comes with these pieces, you guys. All right, so we're going to show you the UPC. Can you flip it? All right, there's the UPC. And again, the price on here, the clearance price actually says $14, and we're going to scan it for you guys. So if you come across this, it's on clearance, you guys. So this one is coming up $11. And remember, stores may vary. So different stores have different prices, but check this one out next time you are at your local Walmart. And again, tag says 14, but it's only $11.
All right, so this deal is a little bit different. So every now and again, we will come across what's called a glitch. And a glitch allows you to get certain products at a very, 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 very low price that it really should not be. And it comes up and it disappears just like that.
Basically, someone messed up.
Somebody messed up. So you get to capitalize on it. All right, so this is one of those things, right? So this is the holiday time 32-inch black fiber optic Christmas tree. And has all the colorful lights added into it. It's a great tree. We got this product at home. Works wonders.
Basically, if you guys watched our storage unit video, we had about 50 of these in our storage unit. We had the black, we had the pink,
green, the pink,
white.
So this product is $16.
Okay, let me show you guys the price. 16 bucks. Okay. And go ahead.
So let me show you the UPC.
All right. Here's the UPC, you guys. And remember, the most important thing, it's only the black one. They have different colors like green and white, but this deal is only for the black one.
All right. So again, $16. I'm gonna scan it so you can see what the price comes up, and it may come up in your area like this.
$1.50. And again, hold on. Let me take your phone. Okay. This one is the holiday time fiber optic Concord Christmas tree, 32-inch. I did that without my glasses. All right, so you guys can see here, I'm gonna show you one more time. It says $16 here, but on the Walmart app in the store, it's saying $1.50.
The problem with this is when you go to the register, it is scanning at the regular price of $16. So it's a little different from a normal glitch, but if you talk to your store manager and you explain to them that you're showing it on the app, you came for the product, and it's $1.50, they may or may not allow you to take 1, 2, however many. We were able to go to the store yesterday and we got 4 of them. So the manager approved us to take 4. We're gonna see if the manager allows us to do it here. If not, then, you know, so be it, is what it is. But definitely check your local area. If it comes up, see if your manager will give it to you. If so, congratulations. All right, so this is another one of those items that's a glitch item. And again,
This is the second glitch.
the second one. So the price here is $19.84. And this is for the light up Christmas tree.
It's 30 inches tall.
And let me show you the UPC here real quick.
Okay, there you guys go. All right.
Now, when you scan this item with the Walmart app, take a look.
Whoa, that's a good price.
$2.
All right, so you guys can see it says holiday time light up icy Christmas tree decoration, 30-inch for $2. And it says store price, but the price up here is $19.84. And we had the same problem with this one as yesterday. When we go up to the register, it's actually scanning up $19.84. So if you guys want to try, you guys can try to speak to the manager.
Yeah, I mean, definitely speak with the manager. The worst they can say is no. If you're in Walmart anyway looking for deals, try to see if you can get this and show them the app price. They may honor it, they may not. There's no guarantee from Angel on the Go.
And a lot of times, you guys, if you show them that it's an app mistake or something like that on Walmart.com, they'll at least, if you're nice about it and they're nice about it, they're gonna at least let you get one.
They'll let you get one off of customer satisfaction.
Yes. So this is what you guys are gonna be looking at or looking for, along with that Christmas tree, the black one.
Angel on the Go only, where you hear it first. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Angel on the Go 0430, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that notification bell.
Why you point up here?